The fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 21, the 10th term is 69. Find the first term, the common difference of the sequence. So, extracting the information from the question, the fourth term is 21, the 10th term is 69, A we don't know and D we don't know. So here we have two unknowns, and therefore we will have to use simultaneous equations in order to find them. When you have two unknowns, you need to make two equations in order to find them. So using this information here, well, in this formula which says any term is equal to the first term plus the term number minus 1 times the common difference, then we will say that A plus 10 minus 1 times D is equal to 69. 10 minus 1 is 9, so it's going to give A is 9D is equal to 69. And then for the second one, we're going to have that A plus 4 minus 1, the fourth term, is equal to 21. Writing those out in more simplified form, we've got A plus 9D is equal to 69, and then A plus 3D is equal to 21. Now, in order to solve this, we need to subtract them. So A minus A, so we're eliminating one of the variables, it gives me nothing. 9D minus 3D gives me 6D, and then 69 minus 21 gives me 48. In order to find D, we divide both sides by 6, so we get that D is equal to 8. Substitute into equation 1, so we'll substitute into this equation here. So we're going to have that A plus 9 times 8 is equal to 69. 9 8s are 72, so A plus 72 is equal to 69, and then we're going to have that A is equal to minus 3 when we subtract 72 from both sides. So the first term of the sequence is minus 3, and it's going up in 8s. So we can say the final answer is A is minus 3, D is equal to 8. So this has been a video to show you how to find the first term and the common difference of a sequence when you know two terms in the arithmetic sequence. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.